Hi guys! Oh, did you say hi to Mama? You're having fun down there, cuties? Oh, Peach, are you knocking them out? Did you stick your tongue out at your mama, Tommy? Who's cute? Are you guys cute? Yeah, you smiling? Can you smile, Peach? Hmm? Oh, I agree. Oh, God bless you. God bless you. Hmm? Is that so? Have you guys had a good day? Paige says yes. What do you say, Tommy? Have you had a good day? Oh, are you gonna roll over on top of your sister? Almost. She was in your way. Oh, you stretching? Really? Your brother wants to roll right on top of you, Paige. Say, get out of the way. Say, get out of the way. I'm looking to roll over. Mm-hmm. I think that's a good idea. Okay. Glad you're having fun down there. We'll see you later.